बिंदु प्रभा साहू, वेलकम यू ऑल टू स्नेप्स बायोलॉजी। तो आज हम लोग डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं फर्स्ट सेट क्वेश्चंस फॉर योर CPET एग्जामिनेशन 2020 विच विल बी एंटायरली फॉर ओडिशा स्टूडेंट्स जो कि PG एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन देने वाले हैं। तो हम लोग आज 70 क्वेश्चन जैसे कि सेट में आने वाला है, तो उसी हिसाब से हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। So, what is the medical use of the clear gel extracted from aloe vera leaves? तो एलोवेरा लीव्स के बारे में तो सबको पता है, तो वो उसका क्या एंटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी प्रॉपर्टी होता है, राइट? और उसका वो हमारा इम्यून सिस्टम को एक्टिव करता है, राइट? And also it has many antiviral as well as antibacterial effect. That's why it is used for the treatment of burns. Okay, there are 4 options, that is treatment of burns, healing ulcers, treating bunions, and correcting ear aches. Okay, so the answer will be treatment of burns. Okay, now come to the second question. Apogamy is option number A, reproduction of virus, B, failure of fusion of gametes, C, development of bacteria, and D, loss of function of reproduction. Okay, so reproduction of virus takes place through lytic as well as lysogenic life cycle. Okay, and bacteria develops through binary fission and transformation, transduction, conjugation. There are many processes are there, and when a person or when organism lost its function of reproduction, then that organism is referred as sterile, right? So the answer will be your B, failure of fusion of gametes. Okay, so apogamy is the failure of fusion of gametes. Now come to question number 3. Piper longum is a medicinal plant, is mainly used for treating what? Option A, headache, B, cancer, C, asthma, D, jaundice. So as you can see that Piper longum, उसे ओडिया में क्या बोलते हैं? पिप्पली बोलते हैं, राइट? एंड इंग्लिश में उसे लॉन्ग पाइपर बोलते हैं। ओके, सो उसे एस्थमा ट्रीटमेंट के लिए यूज किया जाता है। सो द आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर C, दैट इज योर एस्थमा। क्लियर? नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. The intine of a pollen grain is made up of what? Option number A is lipid and protein. Option number B, lignin and cutin. C, cellulose and pectin. And D, pectin and lignin. Okay, so what will be the answer? The answer will be cellulose and pectin. Okay, so intine is present inner to the exine of the spore, as you can see in the figure. Okay, so exine is the hardest outer layer which consists of a very resisting chemical, decay resisting chemical, that is your sporopollenin. Okay, and from the exine part the pollen tube develops. Okay, and in inner to the exine present the intine, which is made up of cellulose and pectin. Okay, now come to the question number 5. How many divisions the functional megaspore undergoes to form the mature embryo sac? Okay, option A, 2 meiotic division, option B, 3 meiotic divisions, option C, 2 meiotic divisions, and option D, 3 meiotic divisions. Okay, so considering the development of the functional megaspore into the embryo sac, the first division, the megaspore is haploid. Okay, it undergoes first meiotic division forming 2 nuclei, then again another mitotic division forming 4 nuclei, and another mitotic division where 2 polar nuclei, 1 egg cell, and synergids and the antipodals are formed. Okay, clear? So there will be 3 mitotic divisions. The answer will be option number B. Okay, now question number 6. In herbal medicine, garlic is most commonly used. Okay, garlic किस लिए यूज होता है? A, as antibacterial agent, B, to treat insomnia, C weight reducing tool and D seasoning. ओके, सो हम सबको पता है कि जो गार्लिक है वो एक एंटीबैक्टीरियल एजेंट है. ओके, सो इट इज यूज्ड एज एन एंटीबैक्टीरियल एजेंट. ओके, आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर ए. नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. The term systematics was coined by Linnaeus for his book Systema Naturae. It includes what? A. Identification, nomenclature, classification. B. Diversity of organisms. C. Relationship among organisms. And D. All of the above. Okay. तो अगर हम ये सब ऑप्शंस को एनालाइज करेंगे तो ऑप्शन नंबर ए में जो दिया है वो सही है, बी में जो है वो भी सही है और सी में जो है वो भी सही है. वो सबको कंसिडर किए थे. क्लियर? तो आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर डी, दैट इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव. ओके, नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Deuteromycetes are called imperfect fungi. Why? Okay, so the options are A. They have no cell wall. B. They have no mycelium. C. They show no sexual reproduction. And D is all of the above. Okay, so they have no cell wall. It is what? Wrong. They have no mycelium. They are Deuteromycetes. Obviously it is wrong. Okay, and they show no sexual reproduction. It is correct. So the answer will be they show no sexual reproduction. That's why they are known as imperfect fungi. Okay, clear? Now come to question number 9. Which of the following is not a feature of gymnosperms? Okay, so analyze the question. It is asked not a feature of gymnosperms. Okay, so consider the first option, parallel venation. It is the characteristic feature of gymnosperm. Gymnosperms show parallel venation. They are perennial plant and they have distinct branches, but they do not have xylem with vessels. Okay, so the answer will be option number D, that is xylem with vessels. Okay, now come to question number 10. Tunica carpus concept of shoot apex organization was put forth by whom? Option number A, Smith. B, Hunstein. C, Bouvet. D, Nageli. ओके, तो पहले ये जान लेते हैं कि व्हाट इज ट्यूनिका कॉर्पस थ्योरी. ओके, सो दिस थ्योरी एक्सप्लेन्स द प्लेन ऑफ सेल डिविजन इन द सूट. ओके, it does not include the root. Okay, division of root. Clear? So as you can see in the figure, the scientist who discovered this tunica corpus theory, who have given the tunica corpus theory, he proposed that the shoot apex is composed of 2 layers of cells. As you can see in the figure, there is L1, L2 and L3. Okay, so L1 represent the outer tunica, L2 represent the inner layer of tunica, whereas L3 represent the corpus. Okay, and the plasmodesmata connects the exit between the cells of the tunica and the corpus. Okay, this is all about the basic knowledge about the tunica corpus theory. Okay, clear? So who was the scientist? The scientist was Smith, who proposed the tunica corpus theory about the shoot apex organization in the year of 1924. Okay, so the answer will be option number A. Now come to 11. The main plant body of bryophyte is what? Option number A, sporophyte. B, gametophyte. C, both. And D, neither sporophyte nor gametophyte. So we know that bryophyte are called the amphibians of the plant kingdom. Why? Because they live in soil, but for their sexual reproduction they need water. Okay, so that's why they are called the amphibians of the plant kingdom. Clear? And considering the main plant body of the bryophytes, these are gametophytic. Okay, clear? So sporophytic wrong hoga. The answer will be gametophytic only. Okay. Now come to question number 12. Cell wall of bacteria contains what? Option A, N-acetyl glucosamine, B, muramic acid, C, diamino pimelic acid and D, all of the above. So देखते हैं हम लोग ऑप्शंस को, A, B, C तीनों बैक्टीरिया में प्रेजेंट होता है उसके सेल वॉल में. ओके, सो द आंसर विल बी ऑल ऑफ द अबव, दैट इज आंसर नंबर D. ओके,